Today we will talk about Instagram tips and tricks for your business. Follow these tips to get the most out of your Instagram business account. Don't try to put links in Instagram captions. Your profile is the only place you can share a working link that takes users to a website. Links don't work in captions or photo comments. If you want to direct people to a specific website, change the default link in your bio to that URL, and note in the caption that the link is in your bio. Ensure posts relate to your brand. It can be tempting to share photos of food, fashion and animals because they're popular on the platform. But if your business has nothing to do with those things, it could make you look disjointed and confuse your followers. Run giveaways and promotions. Post an image advertising your giveaway, sale or contest, and ask users to repost that image with a specific custom hashtag to enter. Search for that hashtag to see who has reposted it, and pick a winner. Promotions allow your customers and followers to market your brand for you by talking about your promotion on their profiles, driving more people to your profile. Respond to followers' comments. Interacting with customers and followers shows you're paying attention and care about what they say. Embed Instagram posts on your website. They'll be more likely to continue following you and interacting with your posts if they know they're important to you.